Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Your lady here, my channel of Sebeso. On today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my mixed fruit juice at home. Okay, so I have my fruits with me. I have apples, I have pears, I have peaches. I already have my pear juice from the ripe and raw pear, and I have my apple juice from the organic apples from my tree. All these are from my tree, so I'm enjoying being in this season whereby I have fruits, a variety of fruits around me. So at this point in time, I'm going to show you how I make my mixed fruit juice. Okay, so I'm going to take my two different juices, pour them in the blender. It's a pear juice. Then I take my apple juice, pour it in the blender, and then I'm going to have my peaches that peeled, chopped, and not cooked. Going to pour them in the blender as well, and then I'll add just a leaf of mint for that smell, that cooler taste. Then I'm going to blend it all together. Okay, cook it so well. For the last time. My mixed fruit juice is ready and ready to be consumed, so I'm just going to it smells good. Okay, this is how it looks like. So lovely. Let me go taste. Wow, it tastes like the one from the shop, except for the mint, and I'm just loving it. Go try it at home. Okay, go ahead and watch my other juice recipes. Go try them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next videos. Ciao.